Hey everybody, I want to document what I'm doing here. This is a HDMI setup for PowerPoint. This is my audio cabinet, and what I have here is my laptop. I use the HDMI out, and I go down here to a JMO JTech digital converter here, and it converts it to Ethernet, which I had to use Cat 6 enhanced with an extra shield here because up in the attic there's so much interference with stuff that my signal was not carrying through. So this is the transmitter, and I'm going to walk you over to the receiver. So here's my laptop transmitting the HDMI out signal with just this short 6-foot cable to the transceiver. And here's the lovely setup. I've just got a video loop going of a tractor trailer accident that happened. So it's just looping over and over again so I can make sure that the video stays consistent here. What you see here is I have two of these JTech. This one right here is coming from my laptop. This is the primary feed, and it's going into a splitter. So there's a 4K splitter. The input from my laptop right there goes into this and splits it off to 4 different feeds, one of which I am back feeding into another JTech with another highly shielded Cat 5 cable going back up into the attic, and then coming over here to where I am feeding this TV. You can see I've got these TVs are just mirroring exactly the same thing that the laptop output is displaying and what's on the previous screen. This is my truck trailer flipped over on its side. I did use on the shielded cable, there was the metal clips, the RJ45 clips that with a ground end on them. I did put that ground tag and tape that up really good so it was on, but the lead that goes from my primary monitor over to my secondary monitor does not have that because I didn't have any more of those RJ45s with the metal shield jacket on them, but it seems to be working just fine. The problem I ran into was running all of the HDMI cables in the attic with the splitter in the attic would not carry the signal. I had no signal input at all. TVs were blank. So this is what my solution was to come up with how to get all these monitors to show exactly the same thing. So hopefully it helps you out in your frustrations. If you have questions, you can hit me up later.